Today I will show you a small trick of multiplication, that is slide method of multiplication. Let's take an example and see how to do this slide method multiplication. Let's take the simple number 487 multiplied by 55. The slide method multiplication, the first step is whatever the first number, here we have a 487, that number you have to write in a reverse order. So 487, the reverse order is 784, isn't it? So first you have to write the first number as reverse order, and then the second step is copy the other number, so which we have 55. This 55 write on the left side of this first number. You have to write on the left hand side. Now what you have to do, keep sliding across digit by digit to the right. I will show you how. First, this number you have to slide to the right. If you slide the number to the right, so that the digits are vertically lined up, so those numbers you have to multiply. 7 5s are 35. Just take 5 as your unit digit and 3 is the carry one. Again you have to slide to the right hand side. After sliding to the right hand side, so here digits are vertically lined up. These two you have to multiply. 7 times 5 is 35 plus 8 times 5 is 40. So just add these two. So you will get 75, and we have a carry 3. So add the 3 also, then you will get 78. So 8 write it in your result, and now 7 is the carry. So just write 7 here, and then again slide this number to the right. Now you have to multiply the numbers. 8 5s are 40 plus 4 5s are 20. So the total is 60. So you have a carry 7. So 60 plus 7, which gives 67. Now write 7 as your result. Our carry is 6. Again you slide to the right. What we have now? Now you have 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 and plus 6, which gives 26. Then write 6 here and 2 carry. Now what we have to do? Again slide to the right. So now you are sliding to the right, but here no digits are vertically lined up. So that's why you stop this process, and remaining carry you have to write in your result. So 487 times 55, the result is 26,785. Let's take one more example. Suppose if we have a number 2958 multiplied by 24. First what you have to, the first number you have to take it in reverse order. The reverse order is 8, 5, 9, 2. And the other number, which we have 24, you have to take it on your left side of the number. Now what you have to do, keep sliding across to the right. Now the digits are vertically lined up. So what are they? 8 and 4. So multiply that. 8 4s are 32. So 2 write as your result, and 3 is carry. Now again slide to the right. Multiple vertically. 8 times 2 is 16 plus 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 16, which gives 36. 36 and carry 3, which gives 39. So 9 write in your result, and 3 carry. Now again slide your number to the right. So now what we have? We have 5 times 2 is 10 plus 9 times 4 is 36. So 36 plus 10, which gives 46, and carry 3, it gives 49. So in 49, 9 write in your result and 4 carry. Now keep sliding to the right. 9 times 2, which is 18, plus 2 times 4 is 8. So just write 8. 18 plus 8, which gives 26. 26 and carry 4, that gives 30. So write 0 in your result, and now 3 carry. Then again slide your number to the right. Now we have 2 times 2, so which is 4. 4 and carry 3. So 4 plus 3, which gives 7. So 7 write in your result. Now we don't have any carry. So then again you have to keep slide to the right. After going to the right, no digits are vertically inclined. So now we stop this process. Now the result is 70,992. Let's take a bit larger number, which is 3,340 multiplied by 4,154. So what is our first step? You have to take the first number as, you have to write in reverse order. 0, 4, 3, 3. That is, next copy the other number, which we have 4154 on your left side of the number. So you have to take left side of your number. Then what you have to do? You have to do sliding to the right. These digits are vertically inclined, so those digits you have to multiply. 0 times 4 is 0 only. So just write 0 in your units place. Then again you have to keep sliding to the right. Now few digits are vertically inclined. Those you have to multiply vertically. 0 times 5 is 0 plus 16, and we don't have any carry. Just write 6 as your result and 1 carry. Now what you have to do? Sliding to the right. So few digits are vertically inclined. Those you have to multiply vertically. So 0 times 1, which gives 0 only, plus 4 times 5, which is 20. So just write 20 plus 3 times 4, which is 12. So 20 plus 12, which gives 32. We have 1 carry, and 32 plus 1, which gives 33. So just write 3 in your result and 3 carry. Now keep sliding to the right. Digits are vertically inclined. Those digits you have to multiply vertically. 0 times 4, which is 0. 4 times 1, which is 4. 3 times 5, which is 15. 3 times 4, which is 12. So after adding these all, 15 plus 12, which gives 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 3 is 34. Just 4 write in your result and 3 carry. Now sliding to the right. Now you have to multiply vertically. 4 times 4 is 16. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 16, which gives 34. 34 plus 3, which gives 37. So 7 write in your result and 3 carry. And again keep sliding to the right. And few digits are vertically inclined. Those you have to multiply vertically. 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 3 times 1 is 3. So 12 plus 3, which gives 15. 15, and you have carry 3. Plus 3, it gives 18. So 8 write in your result and 1 carry. Sliding to the right. Here 1 digit is vertically inclined. Those you have to multiply vertically. 3 times 4 is 12. So 1 carry, and 12 plus 1, which gives 13. 3 write in your result and you have 1 carry. And again keep sliding to the right. After sliding to the right, we don't have any digits which are vertically inclined. That's why you stop the process. And we have 1 carry. This 1 you have to write it here. So the answer is 13874,360. So like that you have to multiply by using slide method of multiplication. If you want to try this slide method of multiplication, here is an example. You can try yourself and write the result in the comment section. Thank you for watching.